Vehicle accident and alcohol sensing alert with engine locking system using 8051 microcontroller board. So here we are using 8089S52 microcontroller IC and 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output, and we are using one MQ3 alcohol sensor connected to the port to 2.7 pin, and accident switch it is connected to the port to 2.0, and one red LED green LED indicators, two indicators, so those are connected with the P2.6 and P2.5. 16 cross 2 LC display connected to the port to 0, and one driver IC and one engine, and one driver IC, one alarm connected to the P1 cap 3 and P1 cap 4. So let us coming into the hardware part. Here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So it is given to bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, and this is the reset button. And here is the 8089S52 microcontroller IC. Port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Port 0 connected to the 16 cross 2 LC display. Port 1 cap 3 and 1 cap 4 connected to the alarm and the motor. Okay. Port 1 cap 3, 1 cap 1, and this is the reset button. And here we are using one 11.0592 MHz crystal. Crystal is the heart of the circuit for the controller to generate the clock pulses to the internal CPU. And one red LED and one green LED. So accident switch. If accident occurred, red LED on, green LED off, and alarm on, engine off. If there is no accident, red LED off, alarm off, green LED on, engine on. So alcohol sensor, MQ3 alcohol sensor connected to the port 2 engine. So now I am using alcohol based sanitizer we are using. Okay. Whenever alcohol detected, red LED on, alarm on, green LED and fan should be off. Okay. So it is showing on no accident, alcohol detected. Okay. So once alcohol sensing completed, then it should goes to the green LED and fan should be on. It will take some time. 8089S52 microcontroller IC. Port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, port 2.4, 2.5 and 2.6 red LED and green LED. Port 2.7 connected to the alarm. Port 2.0 connected to the accident switch. So it is connected to the accident switch. Alcohol sensing alert, engine locking system, no alcohol, no okay. So now accident detected, airbag open, accident detected, airbag open. So red LED and alarm should be on. Alcohol sensing, no accident, alcohol sensing. If you press accident sensing, alcohol sensing. Meanwhile it one by one it will come. If there is no alcohol, no accident, green LED on, engine on. If accident detected, red LED on, alarm on, engine off. If alcohol detected, red LED on, alarm on, fan off. So now alcohol detected. Green, engine should be off. Reset. Vehicle accident and alcohol sensing alert with engine locking system. No alcohol, no accident. Accident sensing, alcohol sensing, and this is our total block diagram of the project. Thank you. So this is 1K resistor, 10K, 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 10K resistor, 8.2K resistor. 11.0592 to 33 pf capacitor, bridge rectifier, diode IN4007 diode, 1000 microfarad by 25 volt electrolytic capacitor, 7805 regulator, 330 ohm resistor, red LED, 8.2k resistor, reset button, 10 microfarad by 63 capacitor, 16 cross 2 LCD display. So this is a pull-up resistor for 10k resistor to 1k BC547 transistor, and alarm and motor. Thank you.